Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the GT line specification. So this vehicle comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The 7-inch touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine, it gives you 110 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 15,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.